So it's very simple to make. Just after cutting, just go ahead and put everything together. Just join the upper side, that is the half length, put your darts, join it with the downside. Hi guys, in today's video we'll be making this beautiful dress at the picture. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now I have three different fabrics. I have lace fabric, African fabric, and bridal satin. This bridal fabric, okay, and of course we'll be adding a lining to it. So let's go back to the cutting stage first. Now I will cut out from this lace first, then I'll use it and cut other ones. Okay, now it's a gathered dress, so the half length is 11 inches plus 1 inch to give us 12 inches. 12 inches. Okay. Now the armhole, the round sleeve is 12 inches divided into 2 will give me 6 inches. Now the shoulder measurement is 12.5 divided into 2 will give me 6.3 here. Okay. I will use the same thing I used for the shoulder. 6.3 here. Okay. Then I will go ahead. At this armhole line, I will just go ahead and remove 1 inch. Then I'll connect it to this point here. Now I'll come down by 1 inch, that is the shoulder slope, and again 1 inch here. For the neckline, 2.5 inches here. Then I'll slant it to this point. Okay. At this point, this joint, I'll just add 1 inch, mark 6 cm. Then I'll connect the lines. If you have been following me, you will understand what I did here. Okay. Then the waist measurement is 24 inches divided into 4 will give me 6 inches. Then I'll add extra 2 inches. Then I'll connect it to this point. Then I'll cut it out. This is for the front. Then the neckline for the front is 3 inches. But let's do 3.5 inches. Remember, we already have 2.5 inches here. Just go ahead and curve it out. Then for the back, we use 1 inch. Then I'll place it on another fabric to cut out the back. For the back, I'll add 1.5 inches. Okay, because I'll first turn it with another fabric. Okay, so I'll make it 1.5 inches here. So I'll go ahead and cut it. Then I'll cut out the neckline for the back, then for the front. So this will be the down part. I've cut out this. This will be the down part. I've already measured the length. What I have here is 25 inches. The main length here should be 23 inches. So by the time I add the half inch here, which is 11 inches together, what I have is 34 inches will be the length of the dress. Okay, for the length of the fabric, I have here 28 inches times 2. So times 2 of it will give me 50, just approximately 56 inches for the length, while the width we have already measured it. Okay, so we'll put this one aside too. Then I'll cut out for the bridle. If you check what I'm cutting, you will notice that I did not add that to it. So it's a dartless dress. Okay. So just continue watching, you will see what I mean. So I've cut out both the front and back pieces together. Now the length of the sleeve is 7 inches. Now add extra 1.5 inches. Now the armhole is 15 inches divided into 2 will give me 7 inches. So this is the I folded it based on the wideness of the armhole, okay, which is 7.5. Now I will move 2.5 here. So 7.5 divided into 2 and 2.5 divided into 2 will give me 1/4. So I will just loop it. Now the round sleeve is 9 inches divided into 2, which is 4.5, and I'll add extra 1.5 inches in that one. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Then I'll place it on another fabric to cut out the second. Then I'll make a notch at the shoulder line. Now I've cut out all the parts I need for the dress, you can see, and I went ahead to cut 2 peplum. These 2 peplum, I'll use it and design the dress. I cut out the 2 peplum and the lining. So I'll go now and join these together. Remember while sewing, the right side should face down. So I'll go now and sew through, turn the upper part with lining, including the sleeve, turn it with the lining. Then make a gather with this as well. I'll cut a lining for it. I will hem the down part, after which I will show you how to put all the parts together. So guys, you can see after sewing the clothes, this is how it looks. This is the upper side, which is the half length. I went ahead to add a band to it and a butterfly design at the 2 sides. following the dots. Okay, we already have that here. The two dots, I used it and extend it to the back small. You can see the dot for the back as well. Okay, and it has sleeve, so you can see, and the zip as well. So it's very simple to make. Just after cutting, just go ahead and put everything together. Just join the upper side, that is the half length, put your darts, join it with the downside, add your sleeve and the two butterfly design on it. That's all. The dress is ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, keep watching for more design, and bye until I see my next video.